Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever wondered what sets the millionaires apart from the rest of us? Well, I have some good news for you. The secret to becoming a millionaire in 5 years is not rocket science. In fact, it is simple, actionable, and attainable. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, keep watching. 1. Start with a clear financial goal. Starting with a clear financial goal is the first step in becoming a millionaire in 5 years. A clear financial goal will provide you with direction and motivation to work towards your wealth-building journey. Some of the common financial goals could be buying a house, starting a business, paying off debt, or saving for retirement. It is important to have a specific and measurable goal, so that you can track your progress and stay motivated. Having a clear financial goal will also help you determine the amount of money you need to save and invest each month to reach your goal. Once you have a clear financial goal, you can create a budget and stick to it to ensure that you are on track towards achieving your goal. Additionally, you can also set up automatic savings and investment plans, so that your money is working for you even when you are not actively thinking about it. In summary, having a clear financial goal is the foundation of becoming a millionaire in 5 years. So, take some time to reflect on what you want to achieve, set a specific and measurable goal, and start working towards it today. 2. Live below your means. 1. Living below your means means spending less money than you earn. 1. This allows you to save and invest the excess money, which can help you reach your financial goals faster. 2. To do this, create a budget that tracks all of your income and expenses. 2. Look for areas where you can cut back on your spending, such as dining out, entertainment, and shopping. 3. Consider switching to more cost-effective options, like cooking at home, finding free or low-cost entertainment, and buying generic or store-brand products. 4. Remember, living below your means doesn't mean sacrificing everything you enjoy. 4. It's about finding a balance between spending and saving. Living below your means is a crucial step towards becoming a millionaire in 5 years. By reducing your expenses and saving more money, you'll have more resources to put towards investments and reaching your financial goals. 3. Invest in your education. Education is one of the keys to success, and it's especially important in personal finance and wealth building. To become a millionaire in 5 years, you must invest in yourself by acquiring new knowledge and skills. This will not only help you make better financial decisions, but it will also increase your earning potential. Here are some ways to invest in your education. 1. Read books and attend seminars on personal finance and investing. 2. Hire a financial advisor or coach to guide you through the process. 3. Take online courses and workshops to learn more about financial planning and wealth-building strategies. 4. Network with successful investors and entrepreneurs to learn from their experiences and knowledge. By investing in your education, you will have the knowledge and skills to make smart financial decisions, set and achieve your financial goals, and become a millionaire in 5 years. 4. Invest in stocks, real estate, or your own business. The next step to becoming a millionaire in 5 years is to invest in stocks, real estate, or your own business. By investing in these areas, you are taking advantage of the power of compounding to grow your wealth over time. Stocks are a great option for investment because they offer the potential for high returns, especially over the long term. By investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks, you can mitigate the risk associated with investing in a single stock. Real estate can also be a great investment option. Investing in rental properties can provide a steady stream of passive income, which can help you reach your financial goals faster. Alternatively, you can invest in real estate development projects or fix and flip properties for potentially higher returns. Starting your own business is another option for investment. By starting a successful business, you can not only invest in yourself, but also have the potential to earn a significant amount of money. However, starting a business is a risky and time-consuming venture, so it's important to have a solid plan and be prepared to work hard to make it succeed. Investing in stocks, real estate, or your own business is an important step to becoming a millionaire in 5 years. Whether you choose to invest in stocks, real estate, or start your own business. The key is to take action and make your investments with a long-term perspective. 5. Network and find mentors. Networking and finding mentors can be a powerful tool in achieving financial success. By connecting with others who have already achieved what you want, you can gain insight and guidance on how to get there yourself. Here are a few ways to make the most of this strategy. Attend events and conferences in your industry or related to personal finance. This can be a great way to meet people who have similar interests and goals, and to learn from experts in the field. Join professional organizations or clubs, such as a local real estate investors group, that are focused on your area of interest. This can give you access to resources and a network of like-minded individuals. Reach out to successful individuals in your field and ask if they would be willing to mentor you. This can be done in person, through email or social media, or by contacting their company or organization. Be proactive in seeking out opportunities to learn from others. This can include participating in online forums, taking classes or workshops, or attending webinars. Surround yourself with positive, successful people who can offer guidance and support as you work towards your financial goals. This includes both formal mentors and informal support systems such as friends and family who believe in your goals and will encourage you along the way. By networking and finding mentors, you can gain valuable knowledge and support as you work towards becoming a millionaire in 5 years. So, start connecting with others today and watch your financial success grow. 6. Consistency is key. The sixth step in becoming a millionaire in 5 years is to be consistent in your efforts. It's important to understand that wealth doesn't happen overnight, and becoming a millionaire requires persistent hard work and dedication. To achieve your financial goals, you need to make a habit of following your financial plan and sticking to your investment strategies. Here are some ways to maintain consistency. Make a budget and stick to it. Living below your means and saving a significant portion of your income is essential for building wealth. A budget will help you track your expenses and ensure that you stick to your financial goals. Invest regularly. Whether you are investing in stocks, real estate, or your own business, make sure to invest a consistent amount of money every month. This will help you achieve your financial goals faster and reduce the impact of market volatility on your investments. Network and find mentors consistently. Surrounding yourself with successful and knowledgeable people is a great way to stay motivated and on track. Attend networking events, join professional organizations, and seek out mentors who can guide you along the way. Stay disciplined. Consistency requires discipline. It's easy to get sidetracked and lose focus, but it's important to stay focused on your financial goals. This means avoiding impulsive purchases, sticking to your investment strategies, and continually educating yourself about personal finance and investing. In conclusion, consistency is a key factor in becoming a millionaire in 5 years. By consistently living below your means, investing in your education, investing in stocks, real estate, or your own business, networking and finding mentors, and staying disciplined, you can achieve your financial goals and become a millionaire in just 5 years. Ladies and gentlemen, becoming a millionaire in 5 years is not an impossible dream. With the right mindset, financial education, and actionable steps, anyone can achieve financial freedom. Start today and take control of your financial future. The secret to becoming a millionaire is yours for the taking. Thank you.